Hi, everyone. Get ready for our next episode of The Schiff Show. This week, we're taking an in depth look at operations at non towered airports, one of the most common yet misunderstood environments pilots encounter. But before we go live, I'd love to hear your feedback on a couple of questions. Just scan the QR code or visit the URL on your screen to answer a short poll about call signs and straight in approaches. We'll go over the results of this together during the live broadcast. In this episode, we'll discuss the 1996 Quincy intersecting runway accident and turn this most sobering runway collision into practical habits that you can apply on your next flight. My guest will be none other than the 2026 Bob Hoover Award recipient, and together we'll dissect radio techniques, pattern procedures, and technology tools that can help make operating at a non towered airport safer and more predictable. You won't want to miss this episode. You'll leave with clear steps to reduce risk and improve your situational awareness in the most complex airspace of all, one without a control tower. So join us live on Thursday, April 9th at 7 o'clock p.m. Central Time, right here on The Shift Show. And during the broadcast, you can test your aviation knowledge with our interactive game show segment for a chance to win prizes and earn top scorer bragging rights. Remember, all episodes are archived at theshiftshow.tv, and you can also find the Shift Show podcast wherever you listen. So take that quick pre show poll, mark your calendar for Thursday, April 9th at 7 p.m. Central Time, and I'll see you live for another energetic, informative episode of The Shift Show, made possible by Avemco.